Welcome to this GCSE question on angles in parallel lines. This is a 3-mark question, so it should take us about 3 minutes to get done. Let's read the question and see what it says. ABCD is a parallelogram, which means this is my parallelogram here. I'm quite happy with that. We'll talk more about that in a minute. CBE is a straight line. That's this line right here. That's good to know because it means that because it's a straight line, we will have 180 degrees there. That's okay. BAD is 128. Now you need to know how to read these. BAD means follow the lines B, A, D. So the angle is in the middle here, 128. AEB is 39. So that's AEB, that's 39. They've given it there. Find the size of angle BAE. So that is BAE up there. So that means they want us to find this angle here, which I am going to call X. And what else do they want to know? Give reason for each stage of your working out. Okay, good. That's fine. So now we need to have a think about how we're going to solve this question. And to do this, I've got a neat little trick. Now, the fact that they've mentioned that this is a parallelogram, that's important, and I'll tell you why right now. That is because in a parallelogram, it's a special quadrilateral, and if you haven't watched my videos on special quadrilateral, click on the pop-out banner coming out right now. But what's special about this is this angle down here is the same as that angle there. So I can say that this is 128 degrees, and my reason is because angle properties in a parallelogram. Or you can even say that the opposite angles in a parallelogram are the same. That's up to you. That's what I feel like writing. Okay, good. So now we've got that that's 128. Here we go. Surprise, surprise. This is 128 as well. So this is 128. And the reason this is 128 is because from the rules of parallel lines, we know this line and that line is parallel because of the arrows. So from the rules of parallel lines, we know that this is a corresponding angle. Now for the last 29 seconds, in order to find X, we have angles in a triangle. We know they add up to 180 degrees. So therefore, we can say that X is equal to 180 degrees. Take away the 128 plus the 39, which gives us the grand old total of 13 degrees. And the reason for that is angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. And just like that, we are done. 3 minutes and 11 seconds in. Now to add just a few more seconds, just make sure that when you answer your exam questions to get maximum mark, talk to your examiner. Let them know, and you're totally okay to write all over the diagram. Let them know how you've got your answer. Show your working out for everything you've done, and then you're good to go. That ends this video.